Yeah, I'm at that math hall, now I'm down in calculus. Right here in room 116, and I'll be here forever. I'm the new Siavash, and since I sketch it here, I can sketch it anywhere. Yeah, I'll sketch it everywhere. I used to be in math, well, all about that calculator. Gotta use my brain now to find that denominator. Domain is first step, stretches to infinity. I got two restrictions that are in my vicinity. Moving on to intercepts, x and y axis. Y equals +1, set 0 for the axis. There's no intercept, doesn't really bother me. Heading to the third step, now I test for symmetry. Gotta use algebra, solving for an answer. Even function, f5 and -5. Brother, I tested all out, not an odd function. Tell by my attitude that most definitely up.
Math nerds, curve sketching is something we all do. There's nothing you can't grasp. Now you're in Di's class. These textbooks look like they're brand new. Whiteboards will inspire you. Let's hear it for Newton, Newton, Newton.
Restrictions, what the asymptote became. Start with horizontal, limit to infinity. Limits aren't simple, but I can make it easy. X to infinity, give me -1. Now I check the vertical spot. Here we find the action sought. Positive -1, that's where the graph stops. D and X, prime of X, Malcolm X, what's next? Intervals, decreasing, increasing, don't know what to expect. Quotient rule derivative, 0 go and take it. Graph is continuous, so we must break it. Plugged in critical values, had it made. Increase from 0, infinity is where it fade. 1 and 0, this graph's gnarly. Absolute max and min, the calculus party. 1 local minimum, had a tangent 0. There ain't no max, yo, I'm in the curve catching state.
Nerds, curve sketching is something we all do. There's nothing you can't grasp. Now you're in Di's class. These textbooks look like they're brand new. Whiteboards will inspire you. Let's hear it for Newton, Newton, Newton.
Double prime is harder, still no calculator, so you can score real quick. That's the double prime. Finding concavity, don't do it so casually, cause it'll gradually get worse. Double check your work, please. Mess up the quotient, makes you impotent. Inflection is difficult, 0 is not without. Places concave down, it will make a frown. Parted by asymptote, graph is filled with them. Now we're on the last step, time to graph it out. All the information's here, that's what it's been about. Keep the pencil steady with steady hands of a surgeon. Piece everything together, minimum where's the graph bends. Got a domain, intercepts will highlight. Asymptotes derivative, max and min high five. Double prime was correct, now you are a champion. Curve sketching's complete, now let's do it again.
For math nerds, curve sketching is something we all do. There's nothing you can't grasp. Now you're in Di's class. These textbooks look like they're brand new. Whiteboards will inspire you. Let's hear it for Leibniz, Leibniz, Leibniz. One hand in the air if you're white and nerdy. Midterms, finals are pretty wordy. No class in the school can compare. Put your pens in the air, everybody say yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Math nerds, curve sketching is something we all do. There's nothing you can't grasp. Now you're in Di's class. These textbooks look like they're brand new. Whiteboards will inspire you. Let's hear it for calculus, calculus.
So that made no sense at all.
Yeah.